Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use ChatGPT directly on WhatsApp. If you've ever wondered how to integrate this powerful AI tool into your daily chats, stick around because we'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the link in the description or scan the QR code that will appear on your screen right now. This will take you directly to ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Once you've scanned the code, you'll see a pop-up message like the one shown here. Simply click on Continue to Chat. This will open the ChatGPT conversation. To have ChatGPT more easily accessible, we recommend saving it to your contacts. Tap the three dots. In the top right corner, select Add to Contacts and create a new contact. Name it ChatGPT and save it. Note, the number is from the United States. Now you're ready to chat. Let's try it out. I'll say, "How's it going?" And as you can see, ChatGPT quickly responded and asked me how I am. Let's take it a step further. I'll ask for recommendations on places to visit in New York. Here we go. And wow, ChatGPT has given me a detailed and varied list, including famous landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, museums, theaters. It's way more comprehensive than I expected, which is very helpful.
And that's it. That's how you can start using ChatGPT directly on WhatsApp quickly and easily. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching Digital Partners and see you in the next video.